Hello and welcome to the eNETEmployer how-to video series. Today we're going to talk about backing up your payroll. eNETEmployer provides two program screens that allow you to perform the backup procedure. One backup option is mandated at the end of each pay cycle just before you close the payroll. The other backup option is administrative and can be used anytime as part of your regular backup and data protection process. So let's begin by logging into the program and choosing the payroll service. The most common location for most users to find the backup button is in the toolbar right on the calculation screen. Calculations can be found under the Payroll tab, Payroll Processing menu, Calculations. This particular backup option is mandated by the program and is required at the end of each pay cycle just before you close the payroll. So let's perform this procedure by using the sample payroll we have loaded. As you can see, the payroll status shows as calculated, which we did earlier, and we have reviewed the interim pay register report earlier, so we have confirmed that our payroll is ready to go. At this point, we would choose the close button, and we are presented with a prompt that asks us that we will be finalizing this pay calculation. We are done with our pay adjustments, so we're ready to go. Let's choose the Yes button. And we're presented with a prompt that says, please save a backup before closing the pay. This safeguard is put into place so that you always have a specific point in time that you can go back to should you need to for some reason. So let's follow the program's prompt and choose the backup button. This initiates the backup procedure, and after a few moments the backup is complete. The program stores the backup data in a file with an extension of .dat. Depending on your browser settings, the file will be either stored in your Downloads folder, or you may be presented with a dialog box that will prompt you where to save the file. This is in the case you're using the Firefox browser. In either case, this file should be stored in a secure location for future use in the event that a complete database restore is needed. For our demo, we're using Google Chrome, so let's click on the Show in Folder option, and we can see it's been stored in our Downloads folder, and the name has a long extension with various identifiers. The name of the .dat file is prefixed with the payroll's previous closing date, payroll run type, and various other identifiers. If you want to stop the video and take a screenshot of this image here, you can see the details, or you can view the online help. Now that we've completed our backup, let's choose the close button one more time. And we'll choose yes to the prompt. And this time the pay is closed successfully. And then the program also prompts you to start a new pay sequence, choose New, then Save. As mentioned earlier, this particular backup process is something that you'll do at the end of each pay cycle because it is mandated by the program before you can close a pay and move on to the next pay cycle. Many payroll administrators also choose to make regular backups at different times during the payroll cycle, perhaps after they've entered hours or made some other significant changes. So again, you can use this backup routine anytime you want, and another location of a backup button besides the calculation screen can be found under the Employer tab, the Admin menu, and the Tools command. This backup button performs the same procedure as the backup button found on the calculation screen. We now have two backup files, and if we choose Show in Folder, we can see both backups. The one I just created was a few minutes after the previous one. This completes the payroll backup procedure with eNETEmployer. We hope you found it useful. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more how-to videos for eNETEmployer. Thanks for watching.